Hey hamsters! Welcome to another episode of Hamster Academy. We always talk about the importance of security when dealing with your peanuts. Oops, I meant crypto assets. Today's episode highlights why. We're going to tell you about 3 biggest hacks in the crypto industry to date. Running network, $625 million. In March 2022, the Running network, the network that supports the popular Axie Infinity blockchain gaming platform, became victim to the biggest attack in crypto to date. Hackers were able to breach it and steal 173,600 ETH and 25.5 million USDC, worth approximately $624 million at the time. The crypto exchange Binance was able to recover $5.8 million of the stolen funds a month later. The US officials believe that a North Korean hacking group called Lazarus Group was behind the theft. Poly Network, $6,011 million. In August 2021, a hacker exploited a vulnerability in the cross-chain DeFi platform Poly Network and transferred $611 million worth of crypto to 3 wallets. The company asked the hacker publicly to return the assets, and a few hours later that same day, they started doing it and returned them all by the end of the money. Interesting thing is that the hacker's account also received $39,000 in public donations after they returned all the money, with the crypto community thinking that they did it for fun or as a challenge and to show Poly Network's vulnerability. Hello everyone! Today we will talk about what cryptocurrency is. Imagine you want to buy peanuts, and for this you need to pay with coins. By the way, regular coins are commonly called fiat, and if you want a lot of peanuts, you need to give a bunch of coins. But such a mountain is hard to hand over. So, there is an alternative, cryptocurrency. These are digital money that exist only on the internet. They do not have a physical form like regular coins. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. But there are many others like Ethereum. Each of them has its own features and use. For example, you want to send these coins to your friend on the other side of the world in Africa,
Hakuna Matata,
who has a lot of peanuts. In real life, the intermediary is a bank. For the international transfer services, they usually charge a much higher fee than the fee for transferring cryptocurrency. This means you will receive fewer nuts. By the way, the fee for making a transaction is called gas. But the main difference between cryptocurrencies and regular money is that they are decentralized. This means no bank or government controls them. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, which we have already talked about. This allows transfers to be made quickly and securely, regardless of the time of day or your location. A bank may have a holiday, its system may hang. Moreover, a bank can freeze or reject a payment. But with cryptocurrencies, you can instantly transfer money. Besides, cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets. They are protected by complex password and encryption, so without the password, they cannot be accessed. Therefore, be careful and do not give your information to anyone. You can use cryptocurrency not only to buy nuts, but also for investments. You can also use cryptocurrency as a way to earn money.
Yes.
But keep in mind, the prices of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate greatly. So to sum up, cryptocurrency is digital money that uses decentralized blockchain technology to ensure security and fast transfers. Cryptocurrencies are divided into coins and tokens, each with its own features and use. And the most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. But I will tell you more about it next time. Meanwhile, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Bye! Hello everyone! everyone! Today we will talk about Bitcoin. It is the first and most popular cryptocurrency in the world. We have already talked about what cryptocurrency is in this video. Let's start with its mysterious history. Bitcoin was created by a person or possibly a group of people. The only known name is the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. However, to this day, no one knows the true identity behind it. There is even a theory that it could have been aliens. Whoa, sounds mysterious. Or maybe it was me? In 2008, Satoshi published a 9-page document detailing the technology, and on the 3rd of January 2009, the original client software was released. Today, this date is known as Bitcoin Day. This is where things get really interesting. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. This limit creates scarcity, which increases their value. Similar to gold, the rarer it is, the more valuable it becomes. By the way, Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Bitcoin is often seen as an investment. Its price is influenced by various factors, from buyer demand to the overall market situation. Therefore, like any asset, its price constantly changes. But people prefer to hold on to it rather than spend it. This is called hodling. Its price can rise sharply and many want to profit from this. For example, if you had bought Bitcoin in 2010 for a few cents, today you could have millions of dollars. The first known purchase using Bitcoin was made in 2010 when programmer Laszlo Hanyecz paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. At that time it was only about $30. Now imagine how much those pizzas would cost today. There are many other cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin remains the most well-known and valuable. Some of them, like Ethereum and Litecoin, are also popular, but none have reached the same level of recognition as Bitcoin. We will talk about how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are mined and what halving is in the next videos. Meanwhile, subscribe and see you soon!
Hello hamsters! Today we are going to find out how cryptocurrency exchanges work. So, what are they? Imagine a market with nuts. You get there with your favorite peanuts and want to trade them for other nuts or perhaps a piece of cheese. Cryptocurrency exchanges work in a similar way, but instead of peanuts, you have bitcoins, ethers, and other cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the basics. There are 2 main types of participants in a transaction, buyers and sellers. Buyers want to buy cryptocurrency with fiat money, like dollars, or other cryptocurrency. Sellers, on the other hand, want to sell their cryptocurrency and receive fiat money or another cryptocurrency in return. But how do they find each other? This is where the exchange comes in. An exchange is like a big bulletin board where buyers and sellers post their offers. It helps them meet and make a transaction. Now let's talk about the trading process. First, you create an account on the exchange. Yes, your hamster account. Then, in most cases, you'll be asked to go through verification to confirm that you are a real hamster. After that, you deposit funds into your account. This can be fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Once you have funds in your account, you can start trading. Imagine you want to buy Bitcoin. You place a buy order specifying how much Bitcoin you want to buy and at what price. If someone on the exchange is willing to sell Bitcoin at your price, the transaction will be completed. But what if no one wants to sell at your price? Then the order remains active until a suitable seller appears. This is called a limit order. If you want to buy immediately without waiting, you can use a market order. In this case, the purchase will be made at the current market price. Exchanges are often targets for hackers, so it's crucial to choose a reliable exchange with a good reputation and strong security measures. Therefore, hamsters use 2-factor authentication and don't keep all your funds on the exchange. And finally, let's talk about fees. Exchanges make money by charging fees on each transaction. Fees can vary depending on the exchange and the type of order. They can also depend on your trading level or volume. The more you trade and bring to the exchange, the lower the fees can be. So always check the terms before you start trading. That's it, hamsters. Cryptocurrency exchanges are like peanut market, but with digital coins. By the way, exchanges can be centralized or decentralized, but we'll talk about that another time. And for now, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for new videos. Bye!